What's up, everyone? This is Scott with PWWcards.com. Getting ready to do a personal box break 2020 Donruss Football Mega Box. This is for Kent. Kent, thanks, man, for picking this up. Hopefully we got something good in here for you. Good luck. Here we go. Okay. Well, that's cool. So not completely, like, new to the game as far as grading. I wish I would too, Kent. Alright, here we go. Budda Baker, Kerryon Johnson, Casey Hayward, Michael Thomas with the bronze paper, press proof. Then we got a Julian Akwara, pink optic rookie. Congrats. Julius Peppers, retro series. AJ Terrell with the rookie, or with this base rookie. And Aqib Talib base. That'd be awesome. Walter Payton, David Montgomery, Bradley Chubb, Emmitt Smith, and then how about a J.K. Dobbins pink? Nothing wrong with that. Dobbins pink. Cam Akers with the rookies. A nice hit there. And then a Jonathan Taylor rated rookie. Davante Adams finishes off. Davante Adams was the first flawless card I ever hit when I bought into a break. Or first flawless card I hit. Not the first card ever, but Cole Holcomb, Dwayne Haskins, Leighton Vander Esch. And then we have a Jack Boyle press proof. Green Acres. It's a place to be. Clavion Chason, pink optic. Congrats on that one. Michael Thomas highlights, Colby Parkinson rookie, and Devontae Parker base. Tannehill, Adams, Garrett, Hooper, and then a Darrington Evans, pink rated rookie. What are they doing with him in Tennessee? I don't follow them close enough to know what he's up to. Oh, look at that. Nice Elite Series Kyler Murray. Tommy Stevens and Geno Atkins. Yeah, true that. Darren Waller, Miles Jack, Tyler Lockett, Eno Benjamin with press proof. Now with this little CeeDee Lamb, pink optic rated rookie. CeeDee Lamb. All-time Gridiron Kings, Brett Favre, Grant Delpit and his torn Achilles. And Joe Montana. Robbie Anderson, Joe Schobert, Dante Harris, and then a Mohamed Sanu signature marks. Mohamed Sanu, the Patriots. Congrats on that. Then a pink of AJ Epinesa. Pink optic. Pat Mahomes, road to the Super Bowl. Julian Akwara, Mecole Hardman base. Tyler Lockett was all over the place his rookie year, man. Jalen Ramsey, Tyrell Williams, Chris Godwin, and then DeAndre Swift with a rookie phenom jersey relic. A purple Jeremy Chin. So we finish off the purple, or pink. I keep saying purple. Pink. They're pink. Damian Wilson, the champ is here. James Morgan, rated rookie. And then Deontay Johnson, base. That does it for the break. We'll get those sent out. Thanks so much, Kent.